Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 9 of Hindi 1. Topics to be covered in this session are sound patterns. We are already doing sound patterns from the past 2 sessions. We have done in the earlier 2 sessions about the sound patterns. Now we will proceed with more sound patterns. We have done different sounds. In the first session we have done vowels, sounds regarding the vowels and how do they symbolize and what is a symbol that represent the each vowel. And after that we have started with consonants, that is Vyanjan, and we have studied various sound patterns according to those vowels and consonants. So we learn more consonants here and their sound patterns, as we have 44 letters in Hindi alphabet. So few more sounds and their patterns we are going to learn in this session. So let us start with the first one here. Next letter we are going to do is ch. What is it? Ch. Say it again. Ch. Ch, chat. CHH represents ch. Chat. Chat means terrace. A represents small sound of A, that is chat. Terrace. Terrace is on top of the building, the topmost floor, and above that we have terrace, the roof, that is called the terrace. So terrace in Hindi we call it as chat. Chat. Chhatri. Chhatri is what? Umbrella. Umbrella we carry during rainy season. During rains it helps us a lot and protect us from rain, from getting drenched. This is chhatri. What is it? Chhatri. Chat is terrace. Chhatri, long sound of E. As you can see, it is on the right hand side. So it is long sound of E, and it's a symbol representing long E sound. So chhatri, umbrella, chhatri. Few more sounds we are going to do with ch. Next is churi. It's small sound of u with ch. Churi. Churi is knife we use to cut vegetables, fruits in the kitchen. We use knife. Knife in Hindi we call it churi. Knife is called as churi. Next is chalni. Chalni is, you can see in the picture, sieve. We use this sieve to sieve things, maybe sometimes flour or many other things we use to sieve. We use this kind of sieve, that is chalni. This is called chalni. Churi means knife to cut vegetables, fruits. Chalni, sieve. Next sound we are going to do j. What is it? J represents j. In Hindi we have j. First word we are going to do with j, jahaj. Jahaj is what? Yes, ship. You can see in the picture also. Ship, in Hindi we call ship as jahaj. What do we call? Jahaj. Long sound of a after her. So jahaj. That is called jahaj. Jahaj is ship, water transport. We use it to go from one place to another, crossing the oceans from one country to another or from one continent to another. It is called ship. In Hindi we call it jahaj. Jamun. Jamun is what? Black plum. Black plum is jamun. Jamun is the fruit. It's a quite sour fruit we have. It's called jamun. But it's tasty fruit. We call it jamun, and in English it is called as black plum. It is a famous fruit found in India. Jamun. Bit purplish in color. Tasty fruit it is. You must have seen. It is called jamun. Next sound pattern with ja. Jal. Jal is water. Jal is water. Water is very important, necessary for our life, for our survival. We must take care of water because these days water table has gone so low, and even problem of water scarcity is there in some areas. So we must take care of water and avoid water pollution. It is called as jal. Jal is water. Juta. Juta is shoe. Juta. Long sound of u with ja. Juta is shoe. Jute means shoes. So it's juta, that means one shoe. Next is jharna. Jh. It's a sound of JH, that is jh. Say it again. It's jh. Jh say, from jh we have jharna. Jharna is what? It's waterfall. You must have seen waterfall. In India we have many waterfalls. Many places we have these kind of waterfalls. Water coming out through the mountains. Usually in hilly areas we have these kind of waterfalls. It's called jharna. What do we call it as? Jharna, that means waterfall. Next is jhanda. Jhanda is flag. Flag is the symbol, emblem of the country. Each country has its own flag, its own identity. Flag in Hindi we call it jhanda. We call it jhanda. Jhula. Jhula. Long sound of j, u with ja. Jhula. That is swing. Swing is called jhula. Usually children like to sit on swing. Sometimes we keep it on our terrace or in our balcony. We like to sit here on the swing. Children usually like to sit. It is called as jhula. What do we call swing as? Jhula. Broom. Broom is jharu. What do we call broom as? Jharu. Say it again. Jharu. T. Next sound is T. Tomato. Tomato is what? Tomato. Vegetable. Red color vegetable. Bit sour. Little bit. And we put it in our vegetables to give it flavor. Put it in our vegetables. Indians especially like it because it makes the food tastier, gives a flavor and color and aroma to the food. Next is tokri. Tokri. Tokri is basket. Basket is what? It is used to keep fruits, vegetables. So it is called as basket. It is called as tokri. Tang. Tang is leg. Leg, the lower portion which we use to walk, to kick. We have legs, our hind limb, that is called leg. In Hindi we call leg as tang. What do we call leg as? Tang. It's T. T represents T. Tang. Long sound of R with T. It's called leg, the hind limb, which we use to kick, to walk, to run. Next is topi. Sound of O with the topi. Topi is what? Hat. You can see in the picture, we use this kind of hat, especially girls like them very much. It is a dress. It is usually worn with dresses and we wear it on our head. So it's an accessory we use with our dresses sometimes. It is called hat in English. In Hindi we call it topi. We call it topi. Next is th. It's th. Th means thanda. Thanda is cold. Cold is when you feel a little bit cool inside. Cold, temperature is cold. We call it as thanda. So thanda is called cold. Th. It's th. Cold. Thanda. Next is thumka. Thumka is a dance step. You can see the boy in the picture. It's pound. So we perform steps, we make moves on dance while dancing. Those moves and steps are known as pound. In Hindi we call them as thumka. We call them as thumka. Next is thos. Thos is solid, anything solid. We have three states of matter we know: solid, liquid and gas. So solid state is called thos. Solid state is called as thos. Next is cart. Cart is thela. Cart is thela. Thela is this kind of, as you see in the picture, usually taken by hand. It's a handwork. Manually we used to take it, and we can put material things here, and usually used by people in rural areas where you have to carry it yourself, you have to pull it yourself to carry the things from one place to another. It is being done manually by hand. It is known as thela. Thela means cart. The next word is, next letter we are doing is the. The is dalia. D is dalia. Dalia is what? Basket. Basket, you can see, we use dalia to carry things, like we go to fruit shop, vegetable shop, so we carry our fruits and vegetables in these kind of baskets. They are also known as dalia. Next is dali. Long sound of a with the dali. Dali is what? Branch. Branches of a tree or plants, we call them as dali. What do we call branches as? Dali. Branches of tree, plants, we call dali. Next is damru. Damru is this kind of musical instrument, or this kind, it is usually used by monkey man. Usually he dances his monkey on this kind of drum, pellet drum. This is known as damru. Danda. Danda is what? Stick. This kind of stick, we call it as danda. You can see in the picture, stick may be of wood or iron or any other material. We call it as stick, and in Hindi we call it as danda. We call it as danda. Dha. Next is dha. Say it again. It's dha. Dha, dhol. Dhol is what? Drum. You can see it's a musical instrument. Drum. It is in Hindi called dhol. What do we call it as? Dhol. Dhakkan. Next is Dhakkan. Dhakkan. Dhakkan is what? Lid. Lid is, it may be of utensil, as you can see in the picture. Any kind of lid, cap is called Dhakkan. Maybe of a pen, maybe of a utensil, any kind of caps we have to cover the material, maybe utensil or any pen or anything, we call it as Dhakkan. We call it as, lid is called Dhakkan. The outer covering, we use it to protect it. Dhoondna. What is the word? Dhoondna. Dhoondna is searching for something. When you are searching for a key, trying to find it, trying to search for it. Maybe you lost something sometimes, maybe important documents, keys. So we look for it. We search for it. So searching for anything or looking for it, finding, trying to find it, it is called as dhoondna. We call search as dhoondna. Next is dholak. Dholak is again musical instrument, tabor. We used to drum it with our hands, tabor. It is called dholak. We call it dholak. Next sound, ta. What is the sound? Ta. Say it again. Ta. Ta, talwar. Talwar is a sword. It was used in earlier days in wars. Nowadays we have bombs and all, nuclear bombs. We don't use these kind of things, but it was used during earlier times in wars, these kind of swords, Usually kings do have them. Sword in Hindi we call it as talwar. We call it talwar. Next is lock. Lock we have lock and key to lock our house, to lock the room, to lock the safe. Lock in Hindi we call it tala. We call it tala. Tala is what? Lock. We use lock to lock our safe and important documents, jewelry. It is called as lock. Tarbooj. Tarbooj. Tarbooj is watermelon. Watermelon we eat. It's a tasty fruit. Green from outside and inside we have red. It gives you vitamins. Black seeds it has. You can see in the picture. Very tasty fruit. Full of juice, juicy fruit. It is called tarbooj. Long sound of oo with the tarbooj. It is called watermelon. Talab. Talab is what? Pond. Small water body. It's called talab. Talab is the water body, small water body found in villages and rural areas usually. In city we have less ponds. So it's a water body, a small water body. It's called as pond. Thermos. Thermos is what? Flask. It's a sound of th. With thermos. Thermos is a flask. We keep tea, coffee in it so that they remain warm, remain hot. We use flask. When we are going out for a journey or sometimes we go out, we carry tea, coffee and hot beverages in these kind of flasks to keep them hot. So these flasks are called thermos. These are called thermos. Next is carrier bag, that is called thela. Thela is the carrier bag we have. We put things, sometimes when we go for market, we put fruits, vegetables, carry things in these kind of bags. Sometimes it is of plastic, wood. So these bags are called as thela. In Hindi, we call them as thela. Next is thali. Thali is what? Plate. We use it to eat food, to eat meals. We put in these kind of plates. In Hindi we call plate as thali. With tha we have long sound of a. So it's called thali. Thali is plate. Tha, thukna. Long sound of u with tha. Thukna. Thukna is spitting. When we spit out, but it is highly prohibited and it's punishable by law when we spit in public places. So it is usually written that spitting is not allowed and it's strictly prohibited in public places. So spitting, in Hindi we call them as thukna. The is, we represent the with d. It's a sound the. Say it again. The. Dawai. Dawai is medicine. Medicine we use when we are ill. To get well again, we use medicines. and medicine in Hindi we call them as dawai. Dawai. Dawat. Dawat is ink pot. Nowadays we don't use these kind of ink pots. We are highly technical now. We don't use these kind of ink pens these days. We have gel pens, pilot pens. So earlier we do have ink pens. So earlier we used these kind of ink pots. Ink pots are called dawat. It's called dawat. Daant. Daant is teeth. Teeth. To chew, to bite, to grind, we have teeth. They are called daant. Dukaan. Dukaan is shop. We have shops in the markets where we go and buy grocery shops, chemist shops, different shops in our market. Shops are called as dukaan. Dha. It's a sound. Dha. Dha is dhanush. Dhanush. It is called bow. Dhanush is bow, bow and arrow. Again we used it in our wars previously in earlier days. Now we are highly technical. We have bombs and nuclear bombs and highly technical devices, tools, equipments. So earlier we used these kind of bow. It's called dhanush. Dhan. Dhan is wealth. How much wealth do you have? How much money? That is called dhan. Wealth is called dhan. Dhan. Earlier we have done dhan. It's dhan. Dhan is paddy. Paddy crops, you know. We have paddy fields. So paddy is called dhan. Dhamaka. 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 Dhamaka is blast, explosion. Sometimes we have nuclear bombs and all. So they blast, they explode. That is called as dhamaka. Na. The sound is na. Na means N, we represent it by na. Null. Null is tap. We have taps in our houses from which we get water. So taps are null. Nakhun. Nakhun is nail. Nails we have to protect our fingers. So they are called nakhun. Knocker. That is servant. We have servants in our houses to help us out. Servant, they are called knocker. Boat. Boat is now. Small boat. Ship is another thing. Boat is another thing. So we have small boats like these. Boats are called now. So this is all about the session where we have studied many sounds, but you must repeat them again and again to learn these sound patterns because they are very different from English. So you must learn them again and again, revise them again and again to learn these sounds better. Otherwise they are a bit confusing for you because each letter is representing many letters in Hindi. So you must revise them again and again. Learn these sounds, their phonetics, their morphology with proper revision. So we'll do more sound patterns because still we are left with many sound patterns. We'll do them in the next session. That is all about the session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.